Wind, provoking trees to gyrate and detach its autumn leaves, the organic music of Thor. Clocks ticking, Kronos and Kairos drumming a rhythmia germane to your baptism of fire. Augury evident by buzzards and curlews tweeting while soaring the milky sea. Darwinian octarinas as once foretokened by St. Francis of Assisi as he ascended to the Master KH. Mysteriously unleash something instinctively complementary. Sectarianism, annual acknowledgements of chalk and cheese, playing cops and robbers with drums and fifes as shields of the Stone Age, dogma, parliaments of owls, cross-dressed as bats in caves, the only source of prosperous light, to pray for a holocaust and conspire Madagascar return as George Fox. Mysteriously unleash something instinctively complementary.